Here's some Brolga dancing trivia. Subscribe. In which country is the Brolga primarily found? Is it A, Russia, B, Australia, C, Brazil, or D, India? The correct answer is B, Australia. What does the Brolgas dancing typically signify? Is it A, migratory patterns, B, threat display, C, mating readiness, or D, food gathering? The correct answer is C, mating readiness. What behavior do young Brolgas exhibit after hatching? Is it A, jumping off nests, B, following parents, C, foraging alone, or D, flying immediately? The correct answer is B, following parents. What characteristic feature do Brolgas display during their dances? Is it A, head bobbing, B, flapping wings, C, spinning circles, or D, high stepping? The correct answer is D, high stepping. Which Australian state has the highest Brolga population? Is it A, Tasmania, B, Victoria, C, Western Australia, or D, Queensland? The correct answer is D, Queensland. What type of social structure do Brolgas usually have? Is it A, solitary individuals, B, polygamous groups, C, monogamous pairs, or D, flock-based hierarchy? The correct answer is C, monogamous pairs. How long is the typical incubation period for Brolga eggs? Is it A, 60 days, B, 20 days, C, 45 days, or D, 30 days? The correct answer is D, 30 days. What conservation status is the Brolga currently classified under? Is it A, extinct, B, vulnerable, C, least concern, or D, endangered? The correct answer is C, least concern. What do humans often associate Brolga dances with? Is it A, ballet performances, B, cultural performances, C, sports events, or D, carnival parades? The correct answer is B, cultural performances. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.